how to use Fitbod. To start, open Fitbod app, and then here you will see the home page with different sets of exercises. But first, let me introduce to you of what Fitbod is. So Fitbod is a personalized workout that adapts to your life. So Fitbod designs each workout around your equipment, preferences, and availability without sacrificing progress. So let's go back to our home page. So in here, you will see the target muscles. So you could use the plus sign to add more targets, and you need to tap each part in order to select and deselect. And then tap save. And then as you can see, the Fitbod app generates your workout. So let's check one of the exercises. So in here, you could see a video. You could change its speed depending on your preference so that you could see it clearly on how to do it. There's an instruction, target, and equipment. So we could also tap the start workout. So in here, there's a timer in which you could check how long have you been doing the workout. Next, so we have the body. So this is the record for the different results. And then we have also the targets. So weekly, you could set the target in order to reach a certain goal. And then we also have the log. So in here, you could see the milestones, the weekly goal, the current streak, and the past workouts. So this is how to use a Fitbod app.